Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer gaming PC with Core i9-12900K. So friend, Acer has announced the gaming PC Predator Orion 7000, which is equipped with Core i9-12900K and RTX 3090. And friend, the estimated market price is around 5000 USD dollar. And friend, it is the top model in the Predator Orion series, featuring Acer's innovative cooling system FrostBlade Fan 2.0, which improves airflow by up to 66.9% over the previous generation, as well as an exclusive all-in-one water cooling unit with the Predator emblem. And friend, it has DDR5 4864 GB memory, so you may up to only play games but also edit high-resolution video and photographs and perform 3D CG rendering without difficulty. And friend, the key specifications are 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD for storage, Intel Z694 chipset, and Killer E3100G for network with 2.5 Gigabit LAN and Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5. And friend, the power supply unit is an 800 watt type that has been 80 plus gold certified. And friend, the body measures 220 mm wide, 500 mm deep, and 557 mm tall, and weighs approximately 17.7 kg. And friend, the operating system includes 64-bit version of Windows 11. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.